Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now today one of our student has asked us this very interesting question. So let us solve this. The question is the coordinates of a point which is at a distance of 1 by root 2 units from 1 comma 1 in the direction of the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Direction means both of them will have the same angle. Suppose P corresponds to A comma B and this is your Q point 1 comma 1. So you can say this is your 1 comma 1, ठीक है, Q point, and this is your P point. P point is 1 comma 1 and this is your line P is A comma B and this is your line. Now this line will have the same direction as this line, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Both of them will have the same particular angle. Okay, so let us first calculate the slope of line L. Okay, slope of L, it will be minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, so minus 1, but slope is nothing but tan theta, so tan theta is minus 1. It means theta has to be equal to 135 degrees. So this angle is 135. Similarly this angle is also 135 degrees. Okay, now we need to understand a few things. So let me say you have drawn this line, let me say you have drawn this line and this is your point Q. Let me change the color. This is your point Q 1 comma 1 and so P could be over here also, A comma B, right? And even P could be over here also, A comma B, whatever. So what I'll do is let me just add a line something like this. Okay, and let me add a line over here also. Now this particular distance is 1 by root 2. Obviously we knew that this angle is 135 degrees. It means this is 45 degrees, right? Okay, now as you can see, this is the resolution of 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 cos of 45. We have studied this from physics also. And this is 1 by root 2 sine of 45. Simple, very simple, right? So 1 by root 2 cos 45 will be equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2 sine 45 will be equal to 1 by 2. So basically point P is going to the left. Going to the left means the x coordinate will reduce. By how much it is going to the left? It is going to the left by half. So 1 will be reduced by half. 1 will be reduced by half. So this will be 1 minus half and this is going up by half units. So it will be 1 plus half. So that will be nothing but 1 minus half and 1 plus half 3 by 2. See, point P went to the left by half unit. Left means subtract and point P is going up by half units. Up means add. So left and right is for x axis and up and down is for y axis, means y coordinate. Now over here also the same condition, 1 by root 2 and this angle will also be 45, vertically opposite angles. So see point P, again this will be half and this will be half, but over here if you see point P is going to the right. So right means plus, to the right by half units, and it is going down by half units. So it will be 1 minus half. Hence the coordinates will be 3 by 2 and half. So there are two coordinates. One is half 3 by 2 and other is 3 by 2 half. Okay. So basically what I want to tell you is, suppose if you have a line like this. Suppose if you have a line like this and this, let us say, and this is your point P and this is your point Q. Okay, so and this is your angle theta. So Q can have two coordinates, right? This upper one will have what coordinate? This is P is h comma k, let us say. So Q, this particular Q will be what? This is nothing but h cos theta and this is nothing but h sine theta. So Q will be nothing but what? If this is this is not h, this is the distance d between PQ. Okay, now the diagram is perfect. So this will be d cos theta and this will be d sin theta. I hope you understood this, d cos theta, d sin theta. So Q will be equal to h plus d cos theta and k plus d sin theta, because over here it is going to right and going up. And for this particular point which is the point Q, so it is going down. So for this particular point you can say h minus d sin theta and k minus, sorry, d cos theta and k minus d sin theta, only it will be minus. So you have to just draw a diagram. Do not remember any formula. You do not have to remember any particular formula, and it will be crystal clear for you. So let me give you one more example. Suppose this is your line, this is your point Q, and this is your point P, and this is your point Q. It is having h comma k, okay, and this is like this, and Q can be over here also and over here also. This is the distance d and this is theta. So for this Q, as you can see, this particular point is d cos theta and this is d sin theta, the length. But now it is going to the left. Going to the left means h minus d cos theta, and going up means k plus d sin theta, right? Simple. And now for this particular point, again this is d, this will be d cos theta, okay, and this will be d sin theta. So over here for this Q, it will be equal to, see, it is going to the right means h plus d cos theta, and it is going down means k minus d sin theta. Okay, there is a formula for this also, but I have not told you the formula. I have made you understand कि left means subtract x coordinate, right means add x coordinate, and up means add y coordinate, and down means subtract y coordinate. This way it becomes a lot easier for calculation of such questions. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. The coordinates are half 3/2 and 3/2 half. If you liked this concept, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Solution to Black Book.